Welcome guys to my channel. Please subscribe and like. Today I'm going to show you how I did this unit. It's a wardrobe cabinet which I wanted to transform. I sprayed with silver spray, and then I used mirrors. I used reflective adhesive and both. I also had some mirrors, proper mirror. So I arranged the way I wanted, the design I wanted. I went ahead and put some tapes around it. I used crushed glass mirrors and glitter. I used the glue on the areas that I wanted to put the crushed glass and the glitter. When it dried, I went again to do another coat of it. So it came out very good. I had to wait for it to dry. After it dried, I went ahead and removed the tapes that I had put around the mirrors. I used very strong glue to fix the mirrors on the wood on top of the cabinet. So you can use Gorilla Glue or no nail glue. You have to use a very strong glue for the mirrors to stick. For the unit wardrobes, I use mirror adhesive, which I only peeled and stick it. It's a very straight and easy step to do. So I went ahead and did on both sides of the unit. There were 6 drawers. All these mirrors, I bought them from Amazon. Some of them I bought them on my local DIY shop. There was an offer going on. When I finished with the mirror stripes, I had some gems. They're like tiny mirrors in stripes. So all you do again is very easy. You just peel them off and stick them, and they made my unit look gorgeous. So I put them around the top of the unit, and I mixed them also with some decor, which are also mirror adhesive, which I bought on Amazon. So the unit came out beautiful, and all I can ask, guys, subscribe for my channel and support me so that you know, hit the notification so that you know when I'm uploading my videos. I just started doing this DIY recently, and I hope I'm gonna do more. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna leave you to watch the finished product.